In this video, we're going to show you how to install the rear wiper arm nut cover on your Cadillac Escalade located on the rear hatch. Now locate the rear nut cover here. Yours may be missing, which would make this job a lot faster for you. But if yours is on there, you're just gently going to pry underneath the edge here. You can use a pocket screwdriver if you want. But if you can just get underneath the edge and you're going to lift up gently and do the same on the top, lift that up and off. You're disengaging the 4 retainer clips, 2 here and 2 on the front side. Now, one of the reasons you might be replacing the nut cover is that you're supposed to have 4 of these locking tabs like this. And on ours, the 2 front ones were broken off. So it wasn't really holding, just the 2 inner clips here were securing that in place. I'm going to take the new one. I'm going to simply line this up. And you want to push it down so that the clips snap into place. Good, snap that on. Give it a little wiggle, make sure it's secure, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.